Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna explain how you can connect Playful Rewards with TikTok. So it's very easy. First up, you need to go to a Playful Rewards website and you need to log in into your account. If you can't, just simply download it and then you gotta open the integrations or settings. So you just need to find settings, integrations, or social connections, and you gotta click on it. And after that, you gotta choose TikTok option and click or connect or link. And after that, you need to log in to TikTok. TikTok login page will appear, and you gotta log in with your account, and you gotta allow permissions. After that, you need to confirm the connection, and you'll be sent back to Playful Rewards, and make sure that now TikTok shows as connected, and then you gotta test it and complete one small task and like or follow and check if Playful Rewards tracks it. If it doesn't show up, like your TikTok, update your Playful Rewards app or browser, and then or try a different browser, or if it couldn't be available on your region, because Playful Rewards isn't available in some of the regions. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.